Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by assembling materials and making the design. Do this now. Print your sticker sheet at 300 dpi so edges stay crisp. Once printed, trim loose margins to make handling easier. If you're using plain paper because you lack sticker paper, immediately cover each design with clear packing tape, smoothing from center outward to avoid bubbles. Make sure tape overlaps edges slightly so the ink is sealed. This creates a sealed sticker face. Next, you'll prepare the backing and cutting method. Once the faces are sealed with tape, you'll add a removable backing so stickers peel cleanly. Use freezer paper with the shiny side contacting the glue side, or adhere a sheet of label paper to create a peelable back. Press firmly to avoid air pockets. Next, cut each sticker with sharp scissors or a craft knife. Keep a steady hand and follow outlines, leaving a tiny white border for strength. Finally, apply a light spray sealer or a thin coat of Mod Podge. Let it dry fully before handling. You're at the finish line. Peel the backing slowly and position the sticker. Once aligned, press from the center outward with a credit card to remove air. For best adhesion, make sure the target surface is clean and dry. Use alcohol wipe on glass or metal. If a bubble appears, lift and reapply, or prick the bubble with a fine needle and smooth it flat. If edges start peeling later, add a thin bead of clear craft glue and press down, then allow 24 hours to cure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.